Hi all my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. When it comes to char siu, I love to make it with pork because there's just so much flavors to it. But a lot of you have been requesting char siu chicken. So today I want to show you just that, the most delicious char siu chicken. To make the marinade, in a bowl we're going to add in the fermented red bean curd. This will give our char siu its beautiful red color. Also add in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, Shaoxing wine, honey, five spice powder, white pepper, and garlic. And give it a good mix. Transfer the chicken to a large Ziploc bag. And pour in the marinade. Seal the bag and rub the marinade all over the meat. Now we're going to transfer the bag to the fridge and marinate overnight. The next day, we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. And now we're going to place a roasting rack on top of the roasting pan. Remove the chicken from the Ziploc bag and place it on the roasting rack. Transfer the roasting pan to the middle rack of the oven. And roast for 20 minutes. 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, in a bowl, add in the honey and warm water. Give it a good mix. Remove the chicken from the oven and flip the chicken. Brush the glaze all over the chicken. Flip the chicken again and brush the glaze all over this side too. Return the roasting pan to the middle rack of the oven and roast for a final 10 minutes. 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. I really enjoy our chicken char siu recipe. It is super juicy and tender all at the same time. And when you bite into it, the part that's a little charred, that is the best part. It's a little smoky, super delicious. So I hope that everyone also enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see everyone again next Friday for another awesome recipe. Bye for now!